Now, when you see a number of big financial institutions coming and buying a stock, this is something that is usually a positive sign to say that that stock, it will do very well. Last week, you'll know that I came with some news of BlackRock acquiring some huge stake onto Nio during Q1 of this year, which was something that was great, especially knowing that BlackRock sometime last year in 2024, they came and trimmed their holdings onto Nio. Seeing them coming back to buy Nio, I must tell you, it was something that was great, and it was a motivation to the retail investors to say that, look, Nio, it's set for greatness. Nio will do very well. Now, the reason why I'm reminding you about BlackRock is that Union Bank of Switzerland, ladies and gents, just increased their stake onto Nio by over 60%. I mean, as seen on the screen, you'll notice that obviously Union Bank of Switzerland, as I'm doing this video right now, or as per their latest filings, they currently have got 74,955,469 shares. This is what was disclosed on the 13th of May, which is yesterday, which again, this shows you that we are getting to see institutional investors increasing their stakes onto Nio. I mean, on the 14th of February, Union Bank of Switzerland disclosed owning shares of Nio of around 44,160,000, seeing them increasing their stake onto Nio to 74 million, or to over 74 million, or almost 75 million shares. This is something that is great, and it encourages us or makes us to also want to load the boat, right? I mean, if there's one thing that I'm liking about this is that it's not just one institutional investor that is increasing their holdings onto Nio. There is now quite a number of them that are doing so, and these are some of the institutions that are increasing their holding at a large stake, which is why we've been covering them. Yes, last week, like I said, we spoke about BlackRock, and this week, talking about UBS, or Union Bank of Switzerland, increasing their holdings onto Nio by this much. I think it's a very, very good encouragement to us, the retail investors, to say that, look, they know what's coming. They know Nio is not going to bankruptcy. They know Nio is going to get to profitability. And that is the main reason, or primary reason, why they are increasing their holdings. Which these, my friends, it makes me to just want to load the boat. So I am very happy. I am excited about this. And when I saw this, the first people I thought of coming and share it with is obviously you guys. UBS just increased their holdings onto Nio. And boy, I must say, this is something that is great, something that tells us that we are set for greatness. UBS, it's showing us that whatever we're doing onto Nio, that is, to some of us who are increasing our holdings, we are doing the right thing, because they are also doing the same thing, because they know that blue sky is coming. Those that are persevering will most definitely be rewarded with time. Nio is a company that is so much is expected out of them this year. Nio is expected to reach profitability this year in Q4, and Nio, they are doing whatever they can to make sure that that comes to play this year. And that, my dear friend, is one thing that is making a lot of the investors to really close monitor Nio, but at the same time also preparing, increasing their holdings in preparation of what's coming. Because once we get to profitability, as I've been telling you, there is no way that even the short sellers will be able to stop the momentum that's going to come on Nio. Because Nio, ladies and gents, it is a company that has been beaten down for quite some time, and short sellers in the market have been using the fact that it's not profitable, the fact that they are generating a lot of losses every quarter. And this, my dear friends, is one thing that obviously from Q2, as per what the Nio CEO said, we are going to start to see improvements coming, which is something that is just so great, amazing. And it tells us that these big financial institutions coming and increasing their holdings is just a confirmation of what we've been preaching, what we've been saying, as to what we can expect from Nio. So I am very happy. I am excited. So yeah, man, I am very happy. I am excited. The blue sky is coming. Long term will win. Those that are persevering throughout the headwinds, the share price will most definitely be rewarded with time. If there's one thing that I like about Nio, is that Nio is a company which, with no doubt, it will do very well, because it continues doing some of the things that other EV makers are not doing. Battery swapping stations is another technology that, of course, it's unique onto Nio. Other EV car makers are not doing this. There is also the technology like the autonomous driving chip, the active suspension, and the steer-by-wire, which are some of the technologies that makes Nio to be unique, and this will make Nio to succeed in the future. And my dear friends, if you're not in it, hopefully you don't regret at a later stage. But anyways, what to do with your money, it's up to you. I cannot tell you what to do because obviously I'm not a PR advisor, but me, I'm going to remain, or I choose to remain long and strong on Nio because I know, and that is blue sky is coming, long-term will win. Those that are persevering throughout the edges of the share price will most definitely be rewarded with time. Share price wise, like I said, Nio might not be doing the most, but this is a company which is expected to do very well. Seeing the big financial institutions, UBS, coming and increasing their holdings onto Nio, this reminds us of the kind of a company Nio it's becoming. If Nio was going to bankruptcy, if Nio was not going to pull it through, make it, I don't think they were going to go in like this and buy the Nio stock. But the fact that they've been buying, I think it shows us, or it's a sign to say that they see what we have been talking about. They see what I've been telling you on this channel, that is blue sky is coming. They see the blue sky coming at the end of the day. And this, my dear friends, is the good news that I thought I come and share with you on this video. Tell me what you think about this. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video to the other new investors so that they know that it's not like some of us who are buying the retail investors onto Nio, but big investors or smart money is also doing the same, which is something that is very, very good. Blue sky is coming, long term will win. That's all from me. I'll see you on the next one, and God bless you all.